Hey there, I'm gonna show you how to meal plan while saving thousands and eating healthy. This is my ridiculously simple 3-step process that I've been using for some time now, and I'm gonna let you copy it for free. And when you do, you'll be able to plan and order your food for the entire week in about 10 minutes, all without leaving your home. First, I want you to grab your computer or your phone, pull up Google, and search for ChatGPT. If you haven't heard about this, it is an amazing AI software that is just released by OpenAI, free to the public. It can help you with all sorts of research and tasks. So we're gonna hop on their website, log in here, and this is the main part of ChatGPT. So we're gonna start asking for 20 meal ideas that are healthy, simple, and affordable. In real time, it is now spitting out 20 ideas that you can choose from. Now, out of these meals, I'm a big fan of 3, 7, 8, 10, and let's do 15. And I'm gonna ask it to put that into chart form so it's easy for me to read, label it, make enough for 4 servings per meal, and include ingredients, the measurements for each ingredient, dinner costs, and I'm even gonna ask for the cook times and any other instructions that are necessary to make these meals. And look at that. We have an entire chart with the 5 meals that we're gonna make for this week, everything we need. So the next thing I want you to do is ask it to combine all those ingredients and their measurements and put it into a bulleted shopping list. Bam! Now we got a shopping list, we got a meal plan, we're ready for the next step. I want you to now pull up your favorite notes app. In my case, I'm going to use Google Keep. It's what I use because it syncs with all of my devices. I find it really easy to share notes. I've been using it for a long time. Within Google Keep, I have the ability to create categories, in this case, food, where I store all my meal recipes. There's also 2 bulleted notes at the top of the app, which are the meal plan and the shopping list, which we just created in ChatGPT. So now I want you to go back into ChatGPT and take a screenshot of that chart. I've tried doing copy and paste and it doesn't work as well, so just take a quick screenshot and we're going to paste that back into the Notes app. And there we go. Now it's really easy to find and to view when we're ready to make our meals. We're also gonna go into ChatGPT and copy over that bulleted shopping list that we created, paste that into Google Keep as well, or whatever note app you're using. With that being said, I asked ChatGPT for a list of pantry items and snacks that I could keep around the house to add to my order. Without getting carried away, this would be a great time to walk over to the fridge or the pantry and make sure that you have everything that you need. And while you're looking in those places, you may find that some of the ingredients you need for your meals are already there, which is gonna save you even more money. Wow, we've already knocked out the entire meal plan in about 3 minutes here. Before we move on to the next step, I want to shamelessly plug the channel. If you're finding value, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more money-saving tips. With that being said, step 3 is to finally order the food using your shopping list. Now, you can do this however you want, but I'm a personal big fan of Walmart, not because Walmart's so great, but because of their delivery service. For only $20 a month, I'm able to get unlimited deliveries to my house so that I don't have to go to the store. I get 2 hours of my time back every week, and I don't have to spend money on gas. I would recommend this to anyone who wants to meal prep at home. I'll put the link down in the description so you can sign up today. Now, using your store of choice, you're gonna go line by line down your grocery list and check everything off. And we're done. I've done this in real time, so it's taken about 7 minutes to do the entire process, and our total is $42, and that is for 2 people. Granted, we do have some ingredients at home, but you're gonna find that is often the case when you start meal prepping yourself. And that's it, we're done. All we have to do now is wait until tomorrow morning for the food to arrive. And at that point, all you have to figure out is how you want to cook everything. If you ordered the right meals, then you shouldn't have much work to do at all. You could do it all at once over an hour or 2 on a Sunday, or you could cook the meals as they come along. Let me know if you found this video helpful by leaving a like or a comment down below. It really helps out the channel and lets me know how I'm doing. If you want to see other money-saving hacks, make sure you click on this video next.